Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at 5001 Grande Drive in Pensacola, Florida. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Unit 1822. So let's go ahead and take you guys inside. This unit was refurbished and remodeled in 2022. So you'll see a lot of beautiful new additions in here that the current owners did. So first, to start out, you can see these new gorgeous vinyl floors that were put in back in 2022. And this amazing vaulted ceiling with that skylight up at the top. So that wall up there used to have a big hole in it from the second bedroom, but they actually enclosed that to kind of make the space a little more open. So here we are, you walk straight into the living area. You have a door that will lead down to the garage, which I will show you guys later. We have a fireplace, which is extremely convenient. I think that's such a lovely feature for this home. You also have a beautiful wood-topped built-in here under the stairs. So this area actually used to be enclosed, and it did serve as a pantry. But the owners decided to open it up and just bring more light and space to this room. So I think that's great additional storage. You can put keys, decorations, anything that you deem important there. And then here we are in the kitchen. These are brand new appliances, a built-in microwave with that oven vent. You do have a flat top electric cook stove with the oven there, self-cleaning. And then you do have this double door fridge and freezer. It does have hidden handles behind here. So instead of a handle pull, the handles are hidden, which I think is nice. Water and ice dispenser on the outside. And these appliances are brand new to the point of they've never even been used before. So I think that is such a nice touch. You know you're walking into brand new appliances. Dishwasher there. Your sink does have a disposal. I think that's very important to note. And nice granite countertops here. So this barn door was also put in, and that's gonna slide close for your full bathroom. This is the one and only bathroom in the unit. It is a great size, single vanity here, additional storage above the toilet, and then you have this amazing tiled shower with the tiled built-ins here. You even have a little seat for convenience. It is a shower only. Here's your shower head with the sliding doors as well. Try and give you guys a better look there. There we go. Perfect. All right, and then we'll come into the master bedroom. This bedroom brings in such amazing lighting in here. You've got a great amount of space. So if you did want to add in, a chest of drawers for extra storage, but you also have two pretty large closets that go from floor to ceiling, and they are mirrored. So they're accordion doors here. And I love this closet because you have nice wood built-ins. It's not the flimsy wire built-ins here or shelving. You've got nice wood and metal bars in here. So I really, really like that closet. And you can do a lot with that space. Okay. You just have over 800 square feet in this unit. So this is perfect for, maybe a travel nurse or someone that is a independent that is just looking for, their own space, that also has a guest bedroom, which we are about to see now. This is going to be the second bedroom in the unit. Again, the vinyl flooring does flow throughout the house. That was newly installed. Definitely smaller than the master, of course, but you do have a closet up here. So pretty deep closet. I would consider this, it's not a walk-in, but it's definitely close. It goes back pretty deep. And then you could even turn this too, if you don't need the spare bedroom, you could turn that into, your own exercise room, or I think it would be great for an office as it does provide a good amount of privacy there. All right, coming down the stairs now. And this is obviously a second story unit, so we're gonna go downstairs so you all can see how to access the garage. So going downstairs here, this will be the garage door that you'll come in through. It is a single car garage, automatic lighting, and you do have washer dryer hookups in here. So this is where washer and dryer will go, and then this will be your personal garage for your unit. There are other parking spots that you can park in up at the front, but here is a view of that garage. Very nice. All right, so we'll take you guys back up and we'll give you one more pan of this gorgeous little condo apartment. All right. And some of the amenities that are going to be on site are a pool. You obviously do have your own mailbox key, which is extremely convenient. And yeah, they did a lot with this unit and it's gorgeous. I really think that you guys should come check this out. Again, we are at 5001 Grande Drive in Pensacola, Florida. You are literally right around the corner from the mall, the airport, tons of restaurants. I think this place would be perfect for you.